In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to backtest using TradingView with live examples. Backtesting is an essential skill for any trader. It helps you evaluate strategies based on historical data, see what works best, and improve your trading decisions. So let's get started. First, open your TradingView account and navigate to the chart of the asset you're interested in analyzing. If you haven't already set up your chart, now would be a good time to arrange your indicators, trend lines, or any other tools you might use regularly. This will give you a clearer picture and make your backtesting more effective. Once your chart is ready, your next step is to click on the replay button. You can usually find this in the toolbar at the top of the chart. This powerful feature allows you to mentally rewind the chart to a previous point in time and replay the price movements as they happened. It's a fantastic tool to practice your strategies as if you were trading in real time without the risk of losing actual money. After selecting the replay function, decide on the starting point for your backtest. You might want to choose a specific date or a certain formation of candlesticks. Click on the point in the chart where you want your replay to begin. This will be your starting point for analyzing past trades. Now, if you want to set the endpoint for your backtesting session, click again on the chart where you'd like to stop. This could be a significant market turning point or just the end of a certain time frame you want to analyze. By setting both a start and end point, you're able to focus more detail on the exact period of time you're interested in. Once you have set up the timeline you wish to test, you can use the play function to start the replay. Click the play button, usually located at the bottom of the chart interface, to begin watching the market data unfold exactly how it happened. This step is essential as it allows you to see how your strategies would have played out with the live market conditions you're simulating. It's a fantastic way to test your strategies without the emotional stress of having real capital at stake. Throughout the play session, pay close attention to how the market responds and adjust your strategy accordingly. This process might involve taking notes or making small tweaks as you identify patterns and responses. Thank you for joining me in this TradingView backtesting guide. Keep exploring different strategies and scenarios to enhance your trading skills, and as always, let data and practice be your guide.